Android is a system that is made around apps, and the Google Play Store has the largest collection of apps for them. Almost everyone downloads apps from the Play Store. But there are many awesome apps which can't be found out there. Best Android apps not on Google Play Store. 1. K9 Mail. K9 Mail is also one of the open-sourced apps. This, as the name suggests, is a very advanced email client for Android. It includes features such as push-em-up support, web-to support, BCC to self, per-account notifications, black-white themes, multiple identities and more. The K9 Mail app was developed by Jesse Vincent. He created a simple patch to the email app in Android 1.0 when its creators hadn't yet figured out how to handle community contributions. He built a version of his own and made it open source. 2. Xpost Framework. Xpost Framework is an app that will let you customize your Android device the way you want. It consists of sub-applications known as modules. These modules can be used for specific customizations. And there are a whole lot of modules available for Xpost which will make your Android device awesome. However, for Xpost to work, you will need a rooted Android device. Otherwise, you are out of luck. There is also an app known as Substratum, available on Google Play Store, which is also perfect for customization. But it will also need a rooted device. 3. 8away. This app is one of the best ad blockers for Android, will let you remove all the ads from every app on your Android device. Hence saving you some time and also in case some bandwidth. However, for this, you will need root access on your Android device. Also, there is a nice feature that you can check for the updates so that if a new ad network comes in you can block, so it won't be able to display ads. 4. Lucky Patcher. Lucky Patcher is a handy app when it comes to removing ads, patching, remove license verification, modifying APKs, backup restore and much more. You will also need a rooted device for this app. This app just can't be explained in ordinary words. You will just have to try this app out to test its features. Do let us know what you think about it. 5. YouTube Vanced. YouTube Vanced is a modded app from XDA devs and Team Vanced. It has most of the features of YouTube Premium like background playback, offline videos, picture-in-picture, themes, etc. Additional features like forced VP9 and HDR support override maximal resolution. It can be installed on both rooted as well as non-rooted Android devices. All apps download links is available in description. Please subscribe me with open heart. Goodbye.